Hi guys, welcome back. I am Priyanka and today's video I'm going to share a really nice makeup kit with you all for festive season, wedding season, and this makeup kit is perfect to create all different kind of occasional makeup, party looks. So let's just begin. And festive season is ahead, and of course we want our makeup to be really long lasting, sweat proof, crease free. So let's just start with the makeup with a primer. So for a primer I would recommend this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. This is one of the best primer in the market, and this makes your makeup glowy and long lasting. This is not that primer that removes all kind of glow from your face and gives you that ultra matte finish. This is a really nice primer guys, and it also maintains that natural glow of your face without making it like totally dry or something, so must give it a try. And for the foundation, I really like this Color Bar 24-hour weightless liquid foundation. This is one of this foundation is from their latest collection, latest launch, and if you are looking forward to buy a really nice foundation, go for it. This is a newly launched foundation with a great formula, and this is 24-hour weightless liquid foundation. It's a very long lasting foundation and gives you a medium coverage and lightweight foundation, so you can give it a try. Of course, for a festive look or a party makeup, we want our foundation to look natural and stay for a longer time. So yes, this is the foundation I recommend for the festive look. And for concealer, you can go with the Sugar Cosmetic liquid concealer. This gives you high coverage and easily blendable, and it's a long lasting concealer. So yeah, you can go for this concealer. I really like the quality. And to set your concealer and the problem area of your makeup base, let's say mostly the foundation start cracking and slipping around your mouth area, around your nose areas, under your eyes, the concealer starts creasing. So guys, you must have these kind of loose powder, which is also called as a setting powder. So I highly recommend this Color Bar setting powder for all those problem areas and for a long lasting result. This gives matte finish and it is more impactful and powerful in comparison with a compact. So I would recommend to set your foundation with a compact powder, but of course for a problem area and you to make your makeup long lasting and crease free, go for the loose powder. And for the compact, you can go for this Color Bar compact or any of the compact that you like the most, but I really like this one. And to make your makeup long lasting, you will of course need a setting spray for the occasional makeup, and this one is from Color Bar. This is really good quality. This gives a dewy look to your makeup base, makes your makeup long lasting. So I really recommend this, one of the affordable and quality setting spray. So yes, that's all for the base. For contour, highlight and blush, you can go with this palette from Sugar Cosmetic. This is Contour de Force palette, and it comes in the combination of contour, highlight and blush. So this is perfect. You can easily work with this palette. It's a powder based product. And for lipstick, we have few options because for the festive season we kind of eat a lot, and of course we want our lipstick also to be really long lasting. So this is one of the beautiful color I like the most. This is Sugar Cosmetic Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick. It also comes in the mini and small sizes, so it's up to you, whatever you like. I really like these cute little mini lipsticks, and it's a beautiful nude color and perfect for all Indian skin tone. So yes, you can go with like really nice eye makeup and pair with a nice nude lipstick. So yeah, for eye makeup, glittery shades of eyeshadow would be great if you want to create some something different for the festive look. So I would recommend these kind of individual glitters. It's perfect for festive look. You can find these glitters on Nykaa, and if you already have eyeshadow palettes, then you can choose the shades which you don't have, which you really need. This comes in different shades. All are beautiful. So either you can go with these shimmery shades if you don't want to invest in a complete palette, but if you are really looking forward for a party makeup eyeshadow palette, then go for this Color Bar eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette from Color Bar comes in vibrant shades, and as you can see, these are full of like shimmery and satiny eyeshadows, perfect to create all the festive and different kind of eye makeup. And all of these shades you can perfectly mix and match according to your outfit colors, your dress colors, and jewelries. And of course wedding season is ahead, so you can try out all of these shades to create different kind of occasional makeup. And I do have few options in Sugar Cosmetics also. So there you go, this is the Sugar Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. This comes in a beautiful combination of some matte finish eyeshadows and satiny and shimmery shades. So again, this is perfect to create party makeup look and festive looks. Look at the shine and gloss. I really like this eyeshadow palette, and it does come in various shades, so whatever you like you can go for that. I'm just going to give a quick look. I have 3 of them. So yes guys, these are the eyeshadow options that you can go for this festive season. And of course I also like this one. If you don't want to go with vibrant colors for the eye makeup, then you can go with this Color Bar Nude 12 eyeshadow palette. As you can see, all of these shades are really beautiful and nude and subtle colors, and you can create different kind of eye makeup which looks subtle. These are not very colorful or something like that, as you can see. And it comes in the combination of some matte finish, shimmery shades and satiny shades. So likewise you can just decide upon your look, what kind of look you want to wear. For daytime you can use these kind of satiny eyeshadows, and for night out and party looks you can go with these shimmery shades. So yes guys, that's all for the eye makeup. These are the eyeshadow palette options that you can go for this festive season. And for eyeliner, this is my all-time favorite Lakme Insta eyeliner. Let me know if you guys already are using this one. And for mascara, you can go with this Color Bar 30 Days Growth Booster mascara. Really good mascara for that volume and curling up your lashes. And for a long-lasting kajal, you can go with this Color Bar kajal pencil. Alright, and for eyebrow, you can go for this Sugar Cosmetic Arch Arrival Brow Definer. It comes with this spoolie. And last not but least, I just want to show this eyelashes from Color Bar. If you are looking for really nice lashes, you can purchase them. So yeah, and one more product I really want to introduce. This is the Color Bar Clean on the Go Makeup Sanitizing Mist. I really like this one. And this is a makeup sanitizing spray, guys, so you can just sanitize your makeup brushes, tools and makeup products. So yes, this is the most important at this situation, of course. So yeah, I'll see you all very soon in the next video. I hope you find this video helpful. See you all very soon. Bye guys.